Quick tutorial, using Task Manager in Windows. Brief explanation. The Task Manager in Windows helps you monitor and manage the processes, services, and apps running on your machine. It provides performance insights for your CPU, memory, and network resources. It is also helpful for closing unresponsive apps. Follow this step-by-step guide to navigate and use Task Manager efficiently. Step-by-step guide. 1. Open Task Manager. Press Ctrl-Shift-ESC on your keyboard to open Task Manager. 2. Reveal sidebar. If the sidebar isn't visible, click the hamburger icon, 3 lines, in the top left corner to reveal it. 3. View running apps, tasks, and processes. In the Processes tab, you'll see all running apps, tasks, and processes. Over on the right, you'll see the resource consumption, CPU, memory, disk, network, GPU for each app or task. 4. Terminate unresponsive apps. Find the unresponsive app in the Processes tab, usually marked as not responding. Right-click the app and select End Task from the menu to close it. 5. Monitor performance. Select the Performance tab to view the usage stats for your CPU, memory, disk, network, and GPU. Click any resource, e.g. CPU, to see detailed graphs and stats. 6. App History. Go to the App History tab to view a list of apps you've used. Sort by CPU time or network usage to see resource-intensive apps. 7. Manage Startup Apps. In the Startup tab, view apps that launch when Windows starts. Right-click an app and select Enable or Disable to manage startup apps. 8. View logged-in users. The Users tab shows active users on the computer. You can also disconnect users or view the apps they're running. 9. Details and services. The Details tab shows detailed information on running apps and tasks. The Services tab displays installed services, and you can right-click a service to start, stop, or restart it. This makes it easy to monitor your system, terminate problematic apps, and improve performance in Windows.